Grandpa,
Yes.
everything's happening as we planned. Now we should get ready for the next move. You will get what you want.
Are you sure?
Hmm.
Do you know what will happen if I fail, Rajiv? I'll get divorced at this age. Oof! I won't survive.
Grandma, why are you behaving like a child? Hmm? And the rest of you, what is this new drama? What's happening? Aunt, why are you not speaking with Mithai? She is disturbing me because of this. I'm busy with some work.
You have come to scold us for Mithai, Siddharth? Yet you can't accept the marriage and live with her. I don't know how I will overcome this pain. Your mother is watching everything from heaven. And she's repeatedly telling me, Mother, how can you ruin my son's life like this?
Aunt? Aunt, please tell Grandma not to get upset. Nothing disastrous has happened. We could have gotten divorced even if Mithai hadn't given the statement. I don't believe in marriage. Anyway, tell Grandma not to get so emotional, please.
Do you know what, Siddharth? You are Aarti's son. And that is why Mom is so upset. Mom thinks that she couldn't take care of a motherless son. Why am I even saying all this to you? All these things don't matter to you. We can't stay long without speaking with Mithai, Siddharth. Mithai, come to me. You don't know, Mithai, how much we love you. Believe me. Even you have no idea. You have no idea.
Grandpa,
Yes.
Grandpa, how are you? I hope everybody. Grandpa, did I arrive at the wrong time?
We are happy that you have got the time to come.
Rudy, why didn't you tell me that you were going to come?
Grandpa invited me to Rath Yatra and so I came in the morning. You don't worry, I'll come in the evening, okay? Actually, I just came here to ask if you need any kind of help.
You have done the right thing. I'll get some food for you.
Mithai, Mr. Biswas is still very, very upset from you. Grandpa, just imagine what has happened. The divorce was contested, but Mithai didn't let her lawyer argue the case. How it happened?
Mr. Rudra, let's not discuss all this now. Let bygones be bygones, isn't it?
Yeah, right. You can call me only Rudra. No need to be so formal with me.
He's absolutely right. Rudra is like family. Rudra,
Yeah.
come with me. I want to discuss something with you. Come.
Yes.
Take a seat.
Rajiv,
Yes?
anything wrong? I mean, what does Grandpa want to discuss with Rudy?
Aunt Topper, shall I serve him some sweets first? I have make a lot of sweets today. Oh,
Shift.
what?
Shift.
Oh,
Give. Hmm?
thank you.
Shh, shh. No need to say thanks. No thanks in friendship and no sorry. Right?
You know, I've seen a lot of things. I never knew this side of yours.
How much do you know, Ratul, madam? Siddharth, I think this marriage will work.
Rajiv,
Hmm?
I'm happy if Shri is happy. But I don't understand one thing. What is Grandpa discussing with Rudy?
But Grandpa, don't you think you are overdoing it? I mean, what will Sid think? I mean, what will Mithai think?
Let me think of all this. Please don't refuse. See, I have prayed to Lord and taken a big risk. Today is Rath Yatra, an auspicious day. I don't think my plan will fail. Hey, Lord, bless me.
Grandpa, I wish that every person has a grandfather like you. I believe Sid is really very lucky to have you as his grandfather. Okay then, I'm in.
Hey.
I will come in the evening. You can announce it at that time.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Hey. Police sir, why are you going away? Have some sweets.
Yeah, eat.
Thanks. I will have one, but I'll come in the evening and have a lot of sweets.
Grandpa, is everything okay? I mean, what secret discussion were you having with Rudy?
Hey, Sid, what's the problem, man? Are you jealous? Isn't your grandpa also my grandfather? Can't I discuss anything with grandpa? He's very curious to know what we were discussing. Okay, You'll come to know in the evening what we were discussing, so you have to wait. Grandpa, so it's decided, okay? I'll leave now.
Okay, bye. Mithai, our gang will celebrate Rath Yatra today and perform the veneration in a grand manner. I'll make a big announcement after that, a very important announcement. Everybody should be present during that time, okay? I'm going. Mithai, our gang will celebrate Rath Yatra today and perform the veneration in a grand manner. I'll make a big announcement after that, a very important announcement.
Oh Lord, please don't let our family fall apart like this. I have put a lot of effort to keep everybody together. Divorce is not something a family believes in. If Sid and Mithai get divorced, it'll be completely shattered.
Please don't cry, Mom. You will fall sick if you cry like this. Mom, you only say that whatever God does is for our well-being. If you believe it, then why are you breaking down like this?
Grandma,
Rajiv, I want to say that your grandma has broken down. I can't see her in this condition. I think I have to share everything with her.
What?
Yes.
Yes, I think you're right. You must tell grandma everything, or else she'll break down further when she witnesses the next episode. Tell her, tell her.
Please stop, Mom. Do you think we all like to see you in this condition? I'm sure this has happened for our well-being. Why do you have to worry so much? Please stop crying, Mom.
Mom, why are you getting so emotional? Why don't you calm down and think about it? Could Mithai spend all her life like this? Tell me. Dad has taken this decision after much thought. There's a reason why he took the risk of divorce, Mom. Please.
Appa, you just don't talk about your dad anymore. I don't want to hear anything.
Sushma? Hey, Sushma. Come here, please come here. Please come. See, on the auspicious day of Rath Yatra, people forgive their enemies, but you have disowned me. and my grandchildren, please understand my pain. Hey, Mithai. Look at the plight of your grandpa. Please do something.
Hey, grandmother. Grandmother, please don't be so upset. Shall I do sit-ups? I'm ready to get punished. You can give me any punishment you want, grandmother, but please don't ignore grandfather. If you ignore grandfather and stay away from him, then I'll stop eating. I'm warning you. I'm telling you.
Mom.
Come on, grandmother. Please go to grandfather. Please come.
Go, Grandma, go.
Grandma, please, grandmother. Please come with me.
He's too much. He messes up everything, and then he garners the support of his grandchildren to get what he wants.
Go, Grandma, go.
Come on, grandmother.
Come, Sushma. What do you want?
What?
Leave us alone. Come on.
Oh,
Go.
yes. So come on, let's go from here. Move.
Yes,
Follow
brother
me.
Rajiv.
Okay.
You know what, Appa? I hope we can hold on to these small joys. Even if we lose everything, I hope we can be happy together.
Again? You will take a risk once again? Won't you ever learn a lesson? Just call Sid and tell him that this divorce is not acceptable in our family. Let him do anything to stop it. That's it.
Sushma, we can't achieve our purpose like this. We can't play with the law. Your grandson might say that he doesn't need a divorce and will continue like this. What about Mithai? Doesn't she have any self-respect? Mithai went to the court and gave such a big statement. Why she did this? She did it because she loves Siddharth. Siddharth must feel it. You get angry with me without any reason. Sushma, the game has become interesting. Don't worry, have faith. Have faith.
Do what you think is right. I can't do anything.
Oh. Listen, Mithai,
Yes?
be frank. Do you trust your grandpa? If I make a decision which you may not like, will you think that grandpa wishes ill for you?
Grandfather, what are you saying? Mithai will die, but she can never think that. You are like Lord to me. You always wish what's best for me.
Listen. I'll make a big announcement today. You might feel hurt, but you won't object it. Have faith in your grandpa. Go.
Yes.
Do your work now. Hey, you have made so many special sweets. How many people are going to come?
Those sweets, those are for Urmi and Satyaki's wedding. They are getting married on the
Oh.
16th. Mithai is preparing sweets for their wedding and reception. I have to make a lot of sweets, so I have made some today. Got it? Urmi loves Indian sweets a lot. She told me to make special sweets for her wedding.
You are right. This wedding is knocking at the doors. Go and do your work. Go.
Aarti had blessed Mithai with this necklace, wishing her to be the wife of Aarti's son Siddharth.